Here's how to switch out the blade and use the storage for this Milwaukee utility knife. To remove the old blade, make sure this retraction slide is pushed all the way this way. Then on the other side, hold this little button down with a lot of force. Then pull the blade out. Just a reminder, you can flip a blade around and use the other side of it to insert the new one in. Once again, make sure this slider is pushed all the way in this direction and hold this button down with a lot of force and place the new one into place. The storage for the blades can be opened up by squeezing the blade symbol here. There's one on each side, so squeeze both sides. Inside there, you'll see a metal clip, which is leaning toward one of the inner walls. Take your spare blade and insert one end of it between that inner wall and the clip like this. You can store up to 5 blades this way. If you found this video useful, please leave a like,